Okay, let's graph y equals x minus 2. Okay, we want a fraction in front of the x, and we want a number after the plus. Okay, so here's a situation where we don't have a plus sign, but we could think of a subtracted 2 as plus a negative 2. Okay, because a subtracted number could be thought of as an added negative number. Okay, but we don't have a number at all in front of the x. So we just need to remember, it's kind of like when we combined like terms together. If there's no number in front of a variable, it's understood to be 1 sitting in front of that variable. Okay, so it's understood that there really is a 1 in front of that x. X is really 1x. Okay, then we just need to change that 1 into a fraction now, because we still want to have a rise and a run. And if you have 1, you would divide it by 1 to still get 1. Okay, remember, if you don't have a fraction, you just put a 1 underneath to make it a fraction. Okay, so we have 1 over 1 x plus negative 2. Okay, now the graphing. Okay, look at the number on the end, the negative 2, find it on the y-axis. Look at the slope, which we rewrote as a fraction, so we would know what the rise and the run are. Okay, we're going to use that to travel. The rise is a positive 1, so that's up instead of down. The bottom number is a positive 1, so it's right instead of left. So from the negative 2, we're going to travel up 1, right 1 to get to another point. Up 1, right 1. And if you had enough room on the graph, you can keep doing that as many times as you want. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Okay, but however many times you do it, you just need 2 points to draw your line, because it goes on forever in the direction anyway, so you'll be good. I'm going to draw a straight line through the points. Draw my arrows on the end to show it goes on forever and ever in both directions. Okay, so the new tip here is, if there is no number in front of x, just remember that it has to be a 1 sitting there. And then you still want to make that into a fraction. So to make any number into a fraction, just put a 1 underneath that. Okay, let me know if you have questions on this.